Alright, I'm slowly but surely getting better at my air fryer. Today I air fried some sausage. This is what the package looked like. It's just some standard smoked sausage. I don't know, my fiance picked it out. I got this knife as a gift from the Huss company. It's one of those Viking style, super sharp, really pretty. Look at it. It's got a little hole in it that you can put your finger in for extra grip. It's not too big either, so I feel like it would be really good for a travel knife. If you want to take it camping or hunting, I'm sure you can do some creative things with it, depending on what you like to do in your free time. I like to cook and lay in the sun. Anyway, cut your sausage into these little pieces. Try to make them uniform as possible so they cook evenly in the air fryer. Learning how to use my air fryer has been an interesting process the first time I turned pork belly bites into pieces of charcoal. Anyway, spray your air fryer with some oil. I know there's some people watching this video that are screaming at the top of their lungs. We're all going to get cancer and die one day, so it doesn't matter. Put your sausage in a single layer. This is what it looked like after I air fried them for about 3 minutes. Shake them around or turn them one by one. This is what they look like after cooking another 4 minutes. Again, it's going to depend on your air fryer. Just check it and don't overcook them. I really like this method because they were crispy and delicious. And again, it took less than 10 minutes to make this. I served these little sausages with some sauteed cabbage that I had made the other night. And this is what it looked like. If you're keto, this is a good keto recipe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.